Hello and welcome to this Decicity guide to adding coupons to your store. From the seller's dashboard, click the Seller's Coupons button, and click the Add Coupon button to the top right of your screen. Give your coupon a name. Give your coupon a code, which can be letters or numbers. For type, select percentage or fixed, then type the discount amount and the minimum amount of spend for the coupon. Then select if the customer needs to be logged in or not to apply the coupon. Select if the coupon covers free shipping or not. Select what products or categories this coupon applies to. If none is selected, it will apply store-wide. Select a starting date and an ending date you want a coupon to be valid for. Lastly, choose how many times you want the coupon to be used and how many uses per customer, and remember to save once you've finished. Thank you for watching this Decicity Seller's Guide.